gorgeous people? This is Amber's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks, and in today's video, I am finally ready to do a 4K subscriber giveaway. Guys, I am so excited that I finally hit 4K subscribers. I honestly did not think I was going to do that before the end of the year. And when I did, it was back in September. But anytime something like that happens, I like to see if I stay there for a while before I actually do a giveaway because, I mean, it's up and down with subscriber counts on YouTube. I mean, 1 minute I'll be 4.6K and then I'll be 4.5K. You know, people fall off all the time, sometimes in like bunches. So I just wanted to make sure that I was going to stay at that 4K mark before I did a giveaway. So for this giveaway, I am going to do a $50 gift card to the place of your choice. And I'm also going to include a mystery box of goodies. Now, the mystery box of goodies will not be like, holiday themed at all. It's just going to be a mystery box of goodies that you could possibly give as gifts if you want to for this holiday season. So this giveaway is going to run from today, December 1st, all the way through December 15th, and I will be announcing the winner on December 16th. So let's go over some of the rules for this giveaway. As always, YouTube is in no way involved with or has anything to do with this giveaway. This is 100% on me, and I'm using things that I have gotten subscription boxes or that I purchased with my own hard-earned money. Just saying. So you have to live in the United States to participate in this giveaway or have a United States postal address, and you need to be 18 years of age or older. So another rule for this giveaway is kind of outside the box, but I also am going to require not only that you be subscribed to my channel, but you also need to be subscribed to Katie. Her channel is called Katie's Corner of the World. I did a collab with Katie a few months back, and I totally messed up the giveaway and forgot to include that you needed to be subscribed to her channel to participate. So to make it up to her, I am including her as part of the requirements for being able to enter this giveaway. So you need to be subscribed to my channel. You need to be subscribed to Katie's channel, which is called Katie's Corner of the World. I will have a link to her channel in the description box below. Make sure you check out some of her videos, guys. She's awesome. She is totally amazing, and I think that you will love her as much as I do. Now, another requirement is that you need to be subscribed to Debutante's channel. The reason why I want to include Debutante is because Debutante won a giveaway from my channel a few months back. It has taken me up until now to get this giveaway to her. And she has been so incredibly understanding, a great person to talk to. I've had some great mom chats with her, and I just think that she is such an amazing person, and I just want to reward her in some small way for her extreme patience with me and getting this package ready to send out to her. So I'm going to also require that you are subscribed to Debutante's channel, and I will have a link to her channel in the description box below. And again, guys, check out some of her videos. She is amazing, and she has one of the biggest hearts ever, guys. And you wouldn't know that necessarily by watching her videos, but if you ever talk to her like I have, you will realize that she has a heart of gold, and she deserves all the subscribers in the world. And I hope that she gets great success next year with her channel. So, a little bit of a recap here. You need to be subscribed to my channel, to Katie's channel, which is Katie's Corner of the World, and Debutante's channel. I have links to both Katie's and Debutante's channel in the description box below. So make sure that you go over, check out some of their stuff, and make sure that you're subscribed to their channel because you will not be able to win my giveaway without being subscribed to their channel. So the very last thing, you need to put the keyword amazing. I think that Katie and Debutante are two amazing ladies, so I want you to use the keyword amazing in the comments below. That will let me know that you want to be entered into this giveaway. All right, guys, I think that wraps up everything for this giveaway. So again, it is going to run from today, December 1st, through December 15th. I will announce the winner on December 16th. I'm giving away a $50 gift card to the place of your choice, as well as a mystery box of goodies. Now, I would love to do more for you guys, but the last time I checked my bank account, I'm not a rich person. So I'm doing what I can right now for you guys, and I hope that you guys are having a wonderful holiday season. All right, guys, that's all I got for you in this video, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye! So guys, when I hit 4K subscribers, I honestly did not think I was going to do that before the end of the year. I think I hit it around September-ish, beginning of September. I hit 4K subscribers. Lost my train of thought.